Hey everybody, Terry Brown here, and stay with me for this very powerful but brief message, okay? Thank you.
Nexus Rewards is unlike any other program ever created. The financial rewards of our $10 program are extraordinary. Our members are literally making thousands of dollars a year, even without referring anyone. They're slashing their monthly bills, cell phone, cable, internet, electric bills, auto and home insurance, and more through our Nexus Bill Reduction Program. On top of that, they're saving big time on hotels and travel and everyday shopping and dining and even prescription medications. They're spending less while putting thousands more in their bank accounts, all for only $10 a month. But here's where it gets even more exciting. There's a huge advantage to upgrading to our $10 membership today. The company has a 3x10 forced matrix that could ultimately be paying you over $22,000 a month in permanent, recurring income. A 3x10 matrix means that there are 3 positions under you, and once they're filled, whether by you or others above you, everyone else gets placed under them until the 9 positions on the second level are filled. Then everyone goes on the 3rd level and on, filling up all 10 levels. It's a structure that's designed to maximize your earnings as the company grows and grows. Now, here's something really important. When people join or upgrade, they don't get placed in the matrix right away. Instead, they go into what's called a holding tank. This holding tank represents hundreds of new paying members and all the free members that are upgrading. They remain in the holding tank until first thing Friday, when the company locks in their position in the matrix based upon their enrollment date and time. So what does this mean for you? When you first joined as a free member, Nexus attached a time date stamp to your account. If your timestamp is earlier than any of these hundreds of new members and you upgrade before Thursday, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time, you'll be placed higher in the matrix than they are because of your earlier time date stamp. They will be placed in the matrix after your spot gets locked in. This means you could start earning recurring monthly matrix commissions on these people right away. Here's where the urgency kicks in. Nexus is growing every day. The people joining now will be part of the ever-expanding network, and they're all placed in a holding tank until they're permanently placed in the matrix. If you act now, you could secure a position where people could be placed under you, which increases your earning potential as more and more members join. This opportunity to get placed so high in the matrix won't happen again. If you wait, you could miss out on valuable positions. The timing is absolutely critical. You have to act now to maximize your gains. Remember, with our 100% money-back guarantee, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Use our services and you'll be saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. And if you upgrade now, you'll secure one of the highest positions possible in the $22,000 per month 3x10 matrix. As Nexus grows, and it will, tens of thousands of people will be joining. Wouldn't you want them to be under you? The sooner you start, the higher you'll be placed, and the better opportunity you'll have new members placed under you as the company continues to grow. I suggest stop watching this video and log into Nexus right now. Invest $10 to upgrade your account and lock in the highest position possible before it's too late. There's never been such a low-cost opportunity that eliminates all risk. You'll earn thousands every year by using our savings apps and bill reduction services. And if you act right now, you'll jump ahead of everyone who enrolls after you. Thanks for your time, and don't let this opportunity slip away. Upgrade now.
Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Grab the link in the description area of this video. Get more information and get signed up today. This is a powerful, low-cost, high-profit potential business opportunity. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.